that's not too bad. To say it's just the bulbs. And that's all the way past, all the way throughout my driveway, so. Y'all see what's going on? CLT Hemi coming back with another video, bro, another banger. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, comment, share this video. Today, I had to get some new headlight bulbs, bro. The one I had in my car, everybody know my front windshield is tinted, but the ones I had in my car is not as bright, or I really can't see out my front window, just straight like that. So I went and bought some brighter ones. Hopefully they are brighter. They're supposed to be brighter. Anybody that has the charger, the 9005 that you need, let me show y'all right there. It's a 9005. Well, let me flip this camera around real quick. For the people that's just now tuning into the channel, this is my two-phase 392 Charger 2019. Yeah, so I lost a lot of light output whenever I put in the color changing headlights, as y'all can see. So this is why I need a very bright bulb right here. I ain't even got my keys. But I mean, I'm going outside tonight, so I'm gonna finish this video tonight. As you can see, it says 9005. I'm gonna show y'all how bright these lights are, not compared to the ones I have now, but you can go back to my previous videos, see my night video, and see, you know what I'm saying, what happened with that. But I'm gonna jump straight into this video. All I gotta do is take off this intake right here. That's a flathead screwdriver. I can reach my hand back there to that housing right there. This one is right back in here. Knock those out. It's easy plug and play. Let me go and open up this box real quick, see what they're working with. Dang, it's like an iPhone box. Oh, they came with gloves. Oh, they professional, boy. Man, who hand this small? What the? Oh, they trying to be funny. Okay, 6-month warranty card. You feel what I'm talking about? Manual. Oh, need all that. Plug and play. And these are the bulbs right here. Let me go and get a flathead screwdriver so I can pop this off. And I'll be right back. Yeah, boy, in the game. Let's see if I can do this with one hand. Oh, this is good. Yeah, simple as that. Intake, sit that right there, and then we can reach our hand back there, pop this off, put this bulb in. I'm gonna go ahead and put on these little small gloves to see if they fit. Let's see if they fit, bro. Oh, they stretch, boy. Ooh. Yeah, boy. But that's backwards. But yeah, I'm gonna put these on real quick. Pull these out the box. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna leave one of them off, because I still gotta touch the dirty stuff back here. This ain't gonna be no install video, bro. So for y'all, that it's real simple, easy. Reach up in there, take that cap off, and twist the bulb out. Straight like that. See that? And do the little clip. Boom, that's one out. But I'm gonna compare it to the ones they gave me. See, it's plug and play. This plugs right in. This twists into the housing. Real simple and easy. But I'm doing it because I do have my front window tinted, and it's very hard to see at night. So hopefully this helps it a lot. Boom, plug and play. And then we're gonna reach up in there and put it in here. All right, so I just put this one in. This one is the old one. That's one. And I can already see this one is a little bit brighter. But I'm definitely gonna compare tonight and see how the light output is. Let's see how far it steps back. Gonna scoot over. Oh, the sun's over here. Dang. But yeah, I think it's a little bit brighter. But I'm gonna go ahead and knock this one out too. That's finished. Put the intake back on, put the caps back on. Like, it takes like 5 minutes to put in headlight bulbs, bro. Literally about 5 minutes, if that. Wrong key. Dang, where my key at? You see both of them are in. So I'm gonna pick up this video tonight. Just let y'all know if I approve of these headlight bulbs or not. If not, then I'll just take them out, keep on looking. But I'll catch y'all when it's dark outside. All right. All right, it's finally dark outside. So we're gonna see the light output. There's a little bit of light coming from my garage, but we're gonna see what it's doing. And that's not too bad. To say it's just the bulbs. And that's all the way past. All the way throughout my driveway, so I'm gonna cut it off. It's not bad at all. So I think I do recommend these lights. I'm putting them down in the description below. And they're white too. Oh. And it matches my DRL, so it's not bad at all. And I don't think they was that expensive either. But like, subscribe, comment. Let me know what light bulbs y'all running or LED bulbs y'all running for y'all cars. I'm gonna see how long these last. And I'm almost at 20,000 miles, so 20,000 mile review coming soon. Like that, CLT Hemi, and I'm out.